That was the wrong choice. So we're probably about halfway up now, and my dad's right up there, but I just spotted these Herdwick sheep down here, on here, and then Great Langdale is there. So I think what I'm going to do is try and sneak around there and get them while they're sat there with Great Langdale behind them. I don't want the picture taken. I got something. Wasn't what I wanted. I quite like the Herdwick sheep. Just something quite Lake District-y about them. So I'm going to go and catch up my dad and we'll check out the views up there. I think we're about 3/4 of the way up now. You can see the tops just over there. But just spotted this little... it's like a pond, I guess. It's like really difficult for me to see at the moment because the sun's really bright, but it's frozen over and you can see all the rocks beneath it, like here and here. Then you get the tops of Great Langdale. I've gone for a portrait shot with this bit of pond filling the bottom sort of third. Then you get all this grass, sort of like really pale grass. Then you get Great Langdale, and there's a few clouds up in the sky and it's casting a few shadows onto the hill. Then you get a few clouds in the sky above it. I'm using a polarizer just to help clear the ice so you can see through it a bit better, because that sun's off to my right, so it's like the right angle. I'd show you the difference between the two, but it's taken me like 5 minutes to set that up because it's just like you can't see anything on the back. I think I need one of them loop things. I'm going to have a bit of a play and try and work out a landscape photo. Maybe down at that angle. And then we'll make our way up to the top. I'll probably stick the GoPro on for that bit because I think it's a bit of a scramble. So it should be quite fun. I think once we get to this bit, we should get a view over to Scafell Pike. You can see Windermere. That's Pike of Blisco. So let's have a look. That's pretty cool. We did that one a few months ago as well. Feels like we're higher than that though. I thought that was higher than this. But I'll check it on the map later. Yeah, there's my dad. I wondered where he was. Oh, and there's Scafell as well. Gonna grab a quick picture here. I quite like looking down the big drops like this. You got a bit of snow down here. Got Great Langdale over there, and you get all these rocks here. This side's sort of in a little bit of shadow, then it goes light, and then it's in shadow again. I like this snowy bit here, so I think I want it on the left hand side. I like them rocks, and I like Great Langdale. And I can get it all into the frame here. So I'm just at F11. And that seems to do the trick. So quiet. Nice. Got a picture of us two here?
Yeah, go on.
On that?
Yeah.
You don't have to if you don't want it.
Yeah, go on. Get one of you there.
It's probably better if you go on the end one. I'll get one of me after. So we're up on the first mound now. I think the next one's the biggest, but I'm just going to grab a family photo one here. You can go on the end one if you want. I'll go on this one here.
Which one, that one?
Yeah. If you sit on that. I don't think you like heights. Can you go to the one on the left then? Is that alright? Yeah. I'll go on that one next to you.
Would you sit down?
Yeah. Why? Did you not? You can sit on it.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I got to see it again.
Huh?
Got to see it again. I'm only messing. I'm only messing.
Huh?
I'm only messing. Nope. Dad, please could you do me a favour a sec? Have your hand here ready to catch it. Just it started to fall a minute ago.
Yeah, I got it now. I already grabbed hold of it when it took it.
Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Tell you what, it's got a funny view. It's got. We thought Bocale was good, but I think this is better.
I prefer this. I'm going to grab a landscape photo without me or my dad in while we're here. I like this rock. Sort of sticks out like over the valley, and you get like a drop down onto the snow. You're getting all this snow here. You don't get Great Langdale in this shot, but you get the whole valley. You get Pike Blisco and Windermere behind it. That sun's come out again. The sun keeps breaking out behind them clouds, and it lights up this rock pretty well. So we'll grab this one. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm probably going to have a little bit of a play here, find a few different compositions, and then I think once we get up there, we'll get a clear view over at Scafell. Scafell is this one here. There's some nice light on it and there's some clouds behind it. So I might grab a picture here now just in case, because it feels a little bit like it's going to rain. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. But I quite like this. When I set off, I didn't think there was going to be any clouds, and it's working out pretty nicely. So there's like subtle little bits of detail like shadows and sunlight, and there's some nice clouds. So yeah, we'll see what we get up there. Yeah. I think that serves me right, because I was about to throw a snowball at you. Karma got me. I was about to nail you.
You alright?
What?
You're not going to admit to hurting yourself anyway.
No. We're up onto the top now and get the view over to Scafell and Scafell Pike. So this is Scafell, this is Mickledore, and this is Scafell Pike here. You can just about see the cairn on the top of this one. So I've got the 135mm set up, so I'll probably get a close-up of this one. I'm just waiting for that sun to come out from behind them clouds, because it's gone quite grey now. So it's just waiting for the right time to get the shot. it's kind of flat at the moment, but with them little bits of light it should be nice. But I think we've changed our mind about going up Bowfell, which is this one here. It just doesn't really make any sense for us to do it, because our car is right over that way. We've come over these three, and then we'd have to drop right down, then go up, and then drop down, then come back this way. We've done that one before as well, from down in the valley, so yeah, it just doesn't really make any sense to do that. So we're going to grab some dinner and then wait for that light to change. There's a few light spots on Scafell Pike now, so got 135. I've actually got the picture, the light's moved. It's now on the bottom right. So, got there. Might work. No, doesn't work in the frame as well now. There's like a few speckled bits on the crags below Scafell Pike. We'll keep watching and maybe it'll come back. So this is 8:59 and Pike at 7:50.
Yeah.
So it's 100 metres higher.
Yeah.
It's quite a lot higher.
Scafell is in metres. Scafell Pike 978.
There's a guy with a doggo.
That's actually went up to Bowfell.
No. You can't have done all that in the time we've done this.
I don't know. He probably just went to the end of there then.
It wasn't that slow.
No, true.
So we've had dinner, we've had a bit of think about it, and we're going to head back down that way. It looks like that weather's coming in. There's a few clouds sort of hugging the top of Scafell on the left, so I might just hang back a few minutes. Dad. 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 Well, he'll work it out. There's some clouds coming in from the left, so we'll wait until they're in a good spot and then use this. I want them to come over to the right hand side and go onto Scafell Pike. That's the biggest one, so I don't know, a bit more impressive. And I can only fit like a small section of that into the frame, but I'm just going to follow that cloud across and get a few pictures and then go and catch up with my dad. You can hear all them planes as well. It looks a bit more impressive now. It's like really thick. You could see the cairn at the top a minute ago, but I don't think anyone that's up there has got a view anymore. It's just been covered with clouds. And then for this composition, I'm sort of not getting that much of the foreground, just getting like a sliver of darks, and I'm underexposing it a bit. And then when them clouds came in, there was a bit more detail in them. It's all just gone to a solid grey now. So third time I'm trying, but I'm going to walk over there. So we're up onto the last one now, and apparently them planes were in front of me, below me in the valley, but I was looking up at the cairn, so I missed it. Not sure how I missed two planes going in front of me, but yeah. But we're up on here, and you get the view down to Windermere and Pike of Blisco again. So I might go over to that edge and grab one last photo. I've changed my mind now down here. The light's not as good. I preferred it on that side. So I think I'm going to end the video here though. We're going to go back down the same way that we came up. So the views are going to be pretty similar for you. I'll probably stick on the GoPro, and then if we see anything else, I'll carry on after this, like usually happens. Whenever you're not looking for stuff usually pops up. But I hope you like the video. Some of these photos might be available as prints over on adamkappa.co.uk. I'll link that down below. I've got prints and greetings cards with free UK postage starting from £2.50 on there. And yeah, if you want to see more videos, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.